Today I am reading a book about garden stew. Crash bang, here's the one. I know something lots of fun. Something that we all can do. Let's make garden stew. Here's a blanket we can share, room for bunny, tiger, bear. Bowls and spoons, a ladle too. Let's make garden stew. Lots of water, splish, splush, splash. Add some dirt, dash, dash, dash. Crunchy leaves, but just a few. Let's make garden stew. Pluck one petal at a time. Roses, daisies, dandelion. Add some stones into the brew. Let's make garden stew. Don't forget a bit of sand. Sprinkle, sprinkle from our hands. Find a stick to mix it through. Let's make garden stew. Your turn, my turn, stir by stir. 3 more things I would prefer. Yum nuts, twigs, and feathers too for our garden stew. In the bowls we gently pour. Who would like to have some more? Some for me and some for you. We made garden stew. Now our tums and knives are full. Let's pretend we ate it all. We love garden stew. Do you? I love reading this book. Do you? Yay! Coming again with my next book. Bye!